Sign in to whatever. All right. I'm live a little early. Just gonna wait for market to open and just chat a little. I don't know why the thumbnail is literally my. This is annoying. What's good, people? All right, hold on. I gotta make sure. I gotta change the thumbnail, bro. Like, I gotta put my glasses on so I can read chat. It's too far from me. Hold on. I was going Frozen, Onyx, Taco. Market opens in 17 minutes. We're gonna go for the winning day. We're gonna sit here and we're gonna follow our rules, guys. It's gonna happen today. Today's gonna be hopefully a good day. We might be sitting here for a while though. Sometimes I'm like sitting just watching. You gotta wait for like the hourly to start looking good. But yeah, let me just get this thumbnail going. Hold on. YouTube analytics. So I just take like a quick screenshot of this, and then I'm just gonna call it like live trade. I don't know why it's like my YouTube banner is my thumbnail. Like that's just weird. I don't even know why you guys click on that stuff. YouTube banner is my thumbnail. Funny. All right. All right, we're getting some people in here. We're getting ready. We got the My Funded Futures. We're gonna go for $100 winning day. We got our alpha accounts that need one solid trade to secure payout, and then we have the topstep combines. So also, I don't know about you guys, but I've noticed that like Project X, Topstep's Project X is really laggy. Like look at how not clean this is. Like I'm dragging back and forth and it looks like my entire screen is like buffering and tearing. Whereas literally the exact same platform on Alpha is like, it's clean. So Topstep's been kind of rubbing me the wrong way, but what can I do about it? Anyways. Just real quick, what can I do about it? Yeah, I'm trying out a live today. We're gonna see what happens. 14 minutes till market opens, obviously. Gonna go for this winning day. Oh, actually, you know what I forgot to do? I gotta request this payout. I'm gonna move it to my other screen though because I don't want to like leak my email. All right. This is gonna feel nice. Thanks, yeah. I appreciate everyone who like actually watches my videos. I just randomly started. I was just like randomly like, yep. Also, I don't know if you guys could see this, but email. My Funded Futures payout hitting the bank. All right, let's go. Let me just finish requesting these and I'll show you guys after. I just don't want to leak my email. Start getting weird emails, Okay, that's 2 payouts requested. This is the 3rd. Yeah, I did secure the payout. I did break my rules, but I mean, I really just need to try. Yeah, dude, I've blown so many free payouts. I've blown like easily 5 figures in payouts. Easily 5 figures in payouts. Like literally I just needed winning days and I couldn't do it. So all right, this is the last payout. Bro, I don't even know if I learned, like I don't even know if I learned. All right, so here I'm bringing this tab back. I just requested see, just literally right now. It's 547. 1 2 3 4 5 payouts. This one was like a week ago. $5K last week on it. Yeah, I mean, dude, it's just like it's happening to everyone. That's how these prop firms are making money. Like, just us being stupid, right? I'm gonna. Oh yeah, they just. Wow, it updated already. Okay, cool. Yeah, they took out 1,000 out of my account just now. $1,000 withdrawal. I'm not gonna lie, this dashboard is looking kind of nice. Like, so many green days. Anyways, final confirmation. Got the emails. I'm gonna withdraw this to my bank real quick. You gotta like it's like RiseWorks or something. WiseWorks withdrawal. Hold on. My Fund of Futures is good. Tomorrow should your full bro. I personally never really full port anything on. Honestly, low key, I'm in. Sometimes I'm in trades and like CPI just happens. I'm like, whoa, what happened? Like I don't even know. Like that happened. What was it? What was that? What happened like a few days ago? Like a few mornings ago. Maybe was it Friday morning? There was like the employment ADP. I don't even know, some employment thing, and I was literally in a long when it happened. I was like, whoa. Where'd that come from? All right. Look at this, guys. Bam. I'm leaking my last 4 digits of my account. Who cares? Yeah, honestly, like people do full port on CPI. Like I only ever see things like working. Like, but me personally, I'm not gonna do anything with CPI. Yo, guys, you're all saying congrats, but you forget that I blew $4,000 yesterday on topstep evals. So it's like cancels out. But what doesn't cancel out is the fact that we still have more balance in here to farm out, and if I pass these, oh my goodness, technically it's 50-50 chance I pass technically. So we'll see what happens. Dub is a dub. That's for real, bro. For real. All right. Let's see. 10 more minutes till market open. I'm excited. No, I'm not excited. I'm nervous. But we're gonna. It's a rule following day. If I take a loss, if I can't get my 5.25 points, then I'm going to close out these accounts, come back. Easy. Then I'm going to be looking at these topstep combines and these alphas, and we're probably just going to end up sitting and watching for a while, just wait for the hourly to look clear. But I am nervous. I'm more nervous than I normally am, actually. Because I'm at like an inflection point where it's like either things could be really good or things could be really bad. Like if I pass these and I get this payout from alpha, like I would be in such a good spot. But if I don't, all right, let's see. Is the money hitting my bank yet? That's a good thing about my fund of futures is like you get paid so fast. Probably gonna hit the bank like sometime soon. Yeah, I'll be trading Asia at the very minimum to get this winning day. Bro, imagine I just start blowing mad accounts live. Like, oh, nah, it's not happening today. I'm nervous. 8 more minutes. So yeah, I guess I could also like show you guys like what I'm looking for strategy wise, but the reason why I haven't posted any videos about my strategy is because I don't really feel like I'm that good of a trader. Like I feel like I'm a struggling trader, like, but I mean, I get payouts consistently, but I also consistently blow a lot of money on eval. So yeah, it's like not amazing. How's it going, everybody? I'm seeing all the people that comment on my videos showing up. That's pretty cool. You guys are amazing. Anyways, all in all, are you in a profit or loss? Recently, I'm in a profit. So basically, like the first 3 months, I lost crazy money, like crazy, crazy money. Then for 3 months in a row, I was profitable. Then by like about maybe 5 to 7K per month, which made back like most of my losses. And then I was break even for a month. And then for the next 2 months, I went through payout droughts where I just lost money. And then this month, I'm now making money again. But um, all in all, like I think I'm down all in all, but like I'm hopeful of the trend, and I hope I can lock in because I'm making a lot of mistakes. Like if I didn't blow that 13K payout, then I probably would have been able to be all in all green again. But well, I consider a live account. Last time I tried a live account, I tilted and I sized up and it blew the whole thing in a day. Like my psych, guys, is so bad. It's so bad. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I don't consider myself profitable at all, but I think I can get there. Uh, but yeah, I'll talk. We'll talk about the strategy a little when the market opens. You guys can watch it in action. I'll share my thoughts of why I'm doing everything. What I think about ICT. I don't personally trade ICT. I look at fair value gaps. I look at fair value gaps. I use them a lot. Inverse fair value gaps and fair value gaps. I use it as kind of like another indicator on my chart, but I don't really use any of ICT's concepts really. Yeah, 4K hit the bank. Anyways, what was I gonna say? 15 evals. Yeah, that's just rough, man. I've blown so many evals. Like it's crazy. Yeah, my fund of futures. You need 5 winning days. So I have gotten what is that? What the heck? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then that was withdrawal, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I withdrew again. So I need the next 5 winning days is another 4K. How do I work on psychology, bro? My psychology's cooked. Like you think your psychology's cooked, bro? My psychology's cooked. Like for real, bro. I probably have the worst psychology here. People in my YouTube comments are trying to tell me like what I should work on, and it's like, yeah, low key, you right. But yeah, you guys, you joined the Discord, cool, man. Yeah, join the Discord, guys. I answer every question. Don't try to DM me. I don't really take DMs unless if you DM me on Instagram, I might respond, but I'll answer every question inside the public Discord chat. Every question I answer, I'm always in there. And then yeah, just I'm about to start trying to post on Instagram and stuff. Like I want to grow my social medias just because like I'm on this trading journey, right? And honestly, I want to improve in every area of life, but yeah, I want to start posting on Instagram too. Do you trade live in Discord? No, this is like my second time trading live, and I'm doing it on YouTube because like I'm low key just seeing how many viewers I would get. You know, I actually used to have an old YouTube channel. It's kind of funny. So I'm revisiting those old days when I used to be a YouTuber, bro. I was a gaming YouTuber. I also I was a trading YouTuber, but I traded on a video game, and now I trade in real life. Blew like 6 to 10 evals. Yeah, you gotta be patient, man. I mean, I struggle with the same thing. I can't even judge you. Play something on your guitar, bro. I totally would. Like, if I wasn't streaming right now, I would be playing guitar, but like, I don't want people to leave because I'm not actually that good. Why do I think my psychology's bad? Because I'm so desperate to make this work, and I've been like pushing myself for like 9 months straight, like really hard. I've been pushing myself to try to like move forward in life. If you're a beginner and you've never gotten a payout, my honest advice is I would probably go with my funded futures or topstep. Strategy, you'll see my strategy is just my gut instincts, but I'm gonna break it down to you. Okay, so one of the most important things to do is to look at like multiple time frames though. So the daily is very interesting, right? Because when this previous daily candle closed, I actually had a bullish bias, but then we just dumped. But then overnight I was like, all right, once we like did this 1 hour candle, then it was obvious that like this high and this high are getting taken, right? But the RR wasn't that good. Because if you take this off the close, let's say you take it to that high, and you got to play your stop all the way down below this gap, that's like negative RR. But I probably would have taken something like that. Like off the 5-minute close might have been better. But it was just like you got to hold through all this slow grind up. Like that's kind of annoying. Like most of the move just happened in this one candle. Got to play 100-point stop. I mean, it's not even that bad of a trade to just long off this. Full port some accounts on this. Because if you take it to this this high right here, that's like 140 points. Yeah, that's a solid size payout. Do I have a discount code? No, I don't. But if I ever had a discount code, then I would tell you guys. But I also like am scared because I don't want people to think that I'm like selling myself out, like becoming one of those trading gurus. Oh, buy accounts with my code. Like I don't want to do that, you know. But what I would do is I'd probably just get the code and I'd put it in a channel in my Discord, and I wouldn't really like go crazy like trying to push it on people. Like I don't want to do that. I just want to be raw and authentic and show people what it's like, what I'm doing, without like trying to make money off of people. It just rubs people the wrong way when you're trying to make money off them. I don't want to do that. All right, one more minute. Uno minuto más. But the only firm that I would be able to have have some sort of code with is Alpha Futures, because they give it to anyone. But like my funded futures, like I emailed them. They said that my channel wasn't big enough, but that was a while ago. But I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna just wait. I don't really. It's like whatever.
The market is open.
What did I do with my last big payout? I spent it on evals, bro. Have I tried Lucid? I have not. I've read a lot of prop firm. I've read a lot of prop firm rules though, and I'm always doing the math on how good of a deal it is and stuff. All right, so this is interesting. I'm gonna be extra more patient than normal. I did not want to lose live. Maybe it's good that I'm going live. But I do think that taking out this low right here, like 932, is likely. But we'll see what happens. How do you place TP? You just like do this. Like I would assume that this is gonna get taken out right here, but could just do something stupid. How do I feel about rapids? I think they're the worst deal ever. Do not get those. Trailing drawdown is trailing. Intraday trailing is so predatory. I would never do that. All right, we just gotta wait for some higher time frame, clear direction, right? There's also a chance that this candle just does nothing for a whole hour, and then we like. I've seen that happen before. But what are we doing? I just don't want to lose. I don't want to lose. I'm scared. You made 1K into market open for gold. Did you just long or something? Yeah, those lows got taken out. There's this low right here. Highly likely. I traded Asia session for sure for winning days. Man, I should have just went short. I don't know. I'm scared. I'm trading scared right now. You went 5 mini long on gold. That's crazy, bro. If this like candle doesn't do much, and oh, it's gonna take it right now. It's okay. Yeah, shorts might have been good, but because I only need 5 points for the winning day. Just wait for something to clear up. It's only been open for 3 minutes, bro. Sometimes I take things like in the first minute. That was actually like a decent short. Yeah, I'm telling you, the core plan. I always use it's just the easiest to get payout with. I've already got 2 payouts, so my balance. If I never got a payout on these, my balance would be at 54,200. And I'm gonna go for 2 more payouts and just gut the accounts and then blow them. All right, let's just watch. Keep watching. Can we get a retrace and a continuation? Bro, what is happening? All right, so maybe we tap into this gap. Seems likely. 862. I've never traded gold, actually. I've never traded gold before. I'm just going to stick to NASDAQ for now. NASDAQ has plenty of opportunities. It's just about being patient. You need to just stop being stupid. Easier said than done, though. Gold has been good. I mean, just like I remember yesterday, silver off of open, like longing off this hourly close is good. That would have been fire. Fire. I want like this. Hold on. Is there like a drawing tool here? I want this to like chop up here and then like have a good 1 minute candle down. I trade all sessions, honestly. But I always trade Asia for winning days. Winning days because in New York, if you enter like, bro, sometimes like you just enter and like with 1 mini and like in like 2 seconds you're up or down like $500. Like I don't want to deal with that. I would much rather just trade this slow market for when I only need 5 points for a winning day on a mini. Guess there's also size and down, but that's boring. No, I'm kidding. It's just my part of my routine. Because then if I don't have to get a winning day during New York, I can focus on my other things, my other accounts and stuff. I think this might trade back up a little higher into this gap, but I don't know. We'll see. Talking away. Silver. What is silver doing? Nothing. Can't believe people trade so many assets. I only trade NASDAQ. This looks pretty bearish, actually. Like I feel I could almost I would almost trade my. I mean, just. But we're just in such a hot like a uptrend. Like I don't want to just get a reversal because we've rebalanced every single one of these 1 minute gaps. But this low here, like just the untapped 1 hour gap, could be interesting. I'm just gonna wait, be nice and patient. I'm sure something obvious will come. I might just have to sit here for a while, which is fine. I mean, this looks pretty bearish. Like, I'm almost tempted to grab a quick short here. But imagining what I'll be. I just wanted to wick me in, but looks like it's not going to happen. It took out the low already. Not worth it anymore. I say it's bearish. It looks bearish on like lower time frame, right? But then on the 4 hour, on the daily, though this daily candle is really like, it's a weird close, right? It's like, it's not strong. Like, you could easily, I don't know. It's hard to tell. We just came out, took out this high, so maybe it is a reversal point. I don't know. All right, my rules say that I risk 15 points. I risk 15 to make 5.25. I like this 1 minute candle. I feel like we could just trade up into this gap a little more and also tap into this 5 minute gap. We'll see what happens. I would want, like, yeah, I would want it to, I mean, I want this candle to like close at least with a wick down here at the minimum. How much time is left? 18 seconds. If this doesn't hit, that would be quite sad, but it would also be an opportunity for me to follow my rules. I am trading 1 mini per account. Okay. Bro, this guy in my chat saying that silver is moving is about to give me FOMO. Let's go, come on. Please give me a win today, bro. It's also an opportunity to follow my rules. Hello, binary team 5448. You're trading a Forex pair. If this trade doesn't hit, I'm gonna cry. Yep, I said your full name. You're welcome. Come on. Go, 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 go. This is like normally when I just go on my phone and like put some chess on, you know? Just start playing some chess. Oh, that I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Come on the 5 minute. Yeah, let's go. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Go, 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 go. Come on. We took out that high, so we took out this high here, so it's like, ugh. We did tap into the 5 minute, right? So I'm asking for us to tap a little further into it, which is, I guess, maybe a... Because once we take out that high right there, it's like... I'm going to trail my stop up a little. On break even. If I get break even, I'll be willing to take another. Oh yeah, let's go. 4 more days, boys. 4 more days for another 4K. I just like scroll through my accounts, make sure that the trade copier worked out fine. You're in a trade on demo. How many trades I took? This is my first trade. Have you heard of the Taylor strat? No, gold dump. I'm not looking at gold. Do you get greasy with? What does that even mean, bro? I don't trade forex. That sounds weird. Do I get greasy with forex? All right, next up, next set of accounts. We're done with my fund of futures. Let's go. Let's just get a little dopamine. 2237 refresh. 2337. Bam. If I were to recommend a prop firm to you, like just to start off, I would go with my fund of futures to start. Do I trade short-term charts, like lower time frame? Yeah. I just did 1 minute. Topstep's pretty good, but recently I haven't been liking them as much. Like, look how laggy this is. And literally, like Project X, same platform with Alpha. What? Like, what's going on with my Topstep, bro? Like, I've literally like lost money because of this. Like, I swear I would not have blown as many accounts if it wasn't this laggy. I promise you. I promise. Bro, no, I'm telling you, my PC is good. Look, Project X is fine with Alpha. And then with Topstep, it's just like, what? It's not a bit early, bro. It's never too early to trade. I just took a quick winning day. Yeah, exactly. This is like the method. Yo, if I ever get a My Fund of Futures discount code, like I'll teach all of you how to trade the way I do with my Fund of Futures is by far my most profitable firm. Like it's just free money, honestly. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's something wrong with me then. Bro. Something's wrong. I don't care. Ooh. Oh my goodness. You say it's like all my tabs that are open, but every other tab is fine, bro. Like, look. All right. We're gonna next trade. We're either going to try to pass these Topstep 150Ks with no activation fee, or we're gonna go for a trade on the alphas. And if I win the trade on the alphas, bro, I'm gonna secure how much money? 8.1K payout. Look at this balance. Bam. Silver dump, TP hit, bro. You're on demo though. You're on demo. Yo, real trader, are you the one that like joined my Discord server like a while ago and you're like, oh, I saw your strategy, how you just go for the big trade and then winning days, like, and then you start getting payouts? Like, are you that guy or is that someone else? You inverse end dog dumped all the way to previous on the. Good luck to you. TP hit for 5K. Nice, bro. Nice. Yeah, I'll remember you. Let's go. Yeah, I'm glad. I mean, some people, they just like don't even see what I'm doing. Like, it's actually a good strategy. Like, some people just look at me like I'm a gambler, but I'm just playing the maths out, you know? I am kind of like, I'm playing the maths out, but I'm underperforming because of my psychology issues. So it's time to lock in. But I literally, how many trades do I take? I usually don't trade that much. Like, I'm not supposed to trade that much. So basically, even though we inverse the 1 minute, well, look how many candles it took. But yeah, technically we are bullish on the higher time frame, slightly, but honestly, the 4-hour candle close here is gonna say a bit. Solana Bandit, what's up? I'm not playing the maths. How am I not playing the maths? I don't understand. There are maths. There are maths to this, you know. Can we literally break it down? All right. Yeah, on the daily time frame, it's hard to have a bias. On the weekly, the fact that we wicked out very hard is is uh is more bullish. These gaps below us is bullish. Structure is bullish. I seem chill. That's amazing to hear. I feel like I'm pretty chill. Um, yeah, I mean it's fine that if you're doing it on one account, just like build up some extra capital so that by the time you need to scale up, like you just have like extra capital, you know. Uh, yeah, honestly, I'm just gonna be like watching for a bit for like it to become a bit clearer on the higher time frame because I do not want to blow these top step accounts. Like I want to take a trade where it's like, yeah, this is hitting. Like I could close my eyes and it's hitting. Like that's what I want. And then like if it's really really good, like on an hourly time frame, if there's something good, then I'll like be down to take it on my alphas. But like sometimes I'm watching for like hours and hours, just trying to wait for something good, especially if it's Asia. But I have like to go to work tomorrow, and I I need to lock in at work. Like I got so much work to do. So I don't know. It might be a bad look if I trade. Like I usually trade at work, but it might be a bad look if I trade at work tomorrow. So I'm just gonna like got this winning day, so I'm gonna log out of these. No need to stay logged in. And then we have, bro. I just like completely doxed myself, bro. Whatever. What the heck? Stupid alpha futures, bro. Hold on. Yeah, bro. I'm not making that mistake again. Freaking stupid. Let's see what miss some chat. You were working on that for 2026. Yeah, I do the same gold 1 hour time frame. It works by rotating my accounts. Trade one at a time. Yeah. Basically, yeah. I just like expose myself to very high variance by trading everything at once. Kind of job I have data analytics and engineering. I don't use Lucid. How long does it typically take? I usually try to pass it in 2 days. I just full port it 2 days in a row. But if I fail the second day, then I have to like start over. How do you know how much you are risking per trade on the stop? You just like do the math in your head. Like I know that on these accounts, like if I bought 15 in the market, that my 4.5k drawdown, my stop would be right here, and my take profit would be right there. So yeah, still no higher time frame bias. Like look at this 15-minute. You could easily see this like trading up here, and you can also see this coming down and taking out this prior wick. So, and on the 5-minute, we're just slowly going up. So not something that I want to necessarily get into. Bro, home court advantage, bro. You're racist, bro. Do I code? Yes, I do. Using a lot of AI. How did I get into trading? I just wanted to make bread, and then honestly, the moment I got into trading, my quality of life down. But it's gonna work. Um, yeah, you cannot. Well, what you can do is you can set your stop loss right here, your risk, and that'll set your stop loss for the dollar amount automatically. I do a Python SQL. Estoni, I do not remember you. Sorry. When is my next payout? You know, I don't know. I just took a payout out right now from my fund of futures right at the beginning of this stream, and I just got a winning day. So 4 more winning days, and I definitely get a payout from these. And then there's my alpha accounts, which if I win like 1,300 today, then I need 2 winning days. Because of consistency rule, I need to get these account balances to like 6.1k, and then I could take like a 8.1k payout. But that's if I win. If I win on alpha, like it's gonna be huge. But if I don't, very sad. Yeah, I remember like a lot of people names, but in the past like 2 weeks, like I went, or in the past like month, I went from like 500 or 600 subs to like whatever I have now, and it's just like so many comments. Like I was replying to every comment, and now it's like I still reply to every comment, but it just like takes so much longer. I'm full Korean. Am I full supporting CPI? Nah. You live in South Korea? Damn. Dude, trading is lonely no matter where you are. Trading is lonely for me, bro. Why do you think I started this channel? No one gets it. Everyone's like, yo, you should quit. Like, what are you doing? I mean, what am I doing? Maybe I should quit. Been watching your channel. It's only a matter of time. I really hope that's true. All right. This actually kind of looks like a short. I'm going to wait for more confirmation. What was your experience? Dude, my first topstep combine, my very, very first topstep combine, I passed it. I passed like the first 4 out of 6 of my first ever 50k topstep combines, and then I got a payout on those first ones. I was actually eligible for 9k. I was eligible for a $9,000 payout, and then I requested it, and then I traded the accounts, lost balance, and then the payout got denied because I lost balance, and then I did it again twice more. So then I only ended up taking out a 4.5k payout, and I spent like 1.1k on those accounts. That was my first ever experience. After that, I was like, is trading really real? Like, this is so easy. And then I just like blew crazy money, and I just like didn't get a payout for ages. No, I just traded them one by one, but I don't know. I fully tilted that one day, and I just like, yeah. If we get like a solid, just need like more confirmation here. Has anyone told you that Jesus Christ loves you and died for you? I am Christian. I'm not gonna lie, I've been idolizing trading. It's always this one day. Yeah, so I just like, I don't know. I just, when I first, I mean, I had the job back then too. I had money. Then I lost like crazy money in my first 3 months trading. It was bad. Come on. Show me some confirmation. Show me some confirmation. Markets. This 15-minute candle is weird though, this close. Like, whoa. The heck? I'm not trading these accounts. I just wanted to log in and look at my balances again, get some dopamine. Boom. This was a clean winning day. I waited nice and patient for that one. I like it. What is the best place to start learning trading? This 1 minute candle is good. I like it. Bro, I think it's just like an obsession. I think you just get obsessed with it, and then you just Stupid laggy platform, bro. Ooh, I'm
Order
wicking. Order filled. All right. Yo, I really hope this works. This is like gonna be the most nervous trade of the day. There's a lot hanging on this, but I think it's a pretty decent idea. You made 10K with your first 150K. Nice. Wait, I'm running behind on like chat messages, but I really want to. I'm watching this thing. All right. Ooh, let's go. Come on, go. Oh, I shouldn't have got so excited. All right. All right, let me just read some chat messages and not look at the screen. What is your strategy? My strategy is discretionary. Like, it's my instincts mostly. Oh, I'm running behind on chat messages. But I'm like trying to go back and forth between this because it's like there's a lot of stuff going on here. Like, bro. I'm considering going break even. I'll scroll back in the chat and I will like read your guys' chat messages. But this is I'm nervous. My heart's beating, bro. My heart's beating. You're only making $710 a month and you keep blowing all your money. Does that make $710 a month from trading? Or like a job? 10K with your first 150K and then you lost it all. Yeah, that's too that size is way too heavy, bro. But I did the same thing. That's how I lost my 13K payout. So I ain't blaming you. We all know what we gotta do though. But we have a 1 minute gap right here. Kind of want to go break even. Stay on trade of it. You want to show me order flow? Yeah, after this, bro. After this. Yo, this is like the first time that I waited more than like 30 seconds to enter a trade and it's gonna win, bro. Maybe I should start streaming more. Streaming is good luck. Boom, boom, go. All right. We're break even. I'm not losing this. My little sister's in the background. Come on. If this doesn't hit, like, that would be crazy, right? I'm nervous still. No, don't go up. Go down. We inverted this gap. Okay. Real quick. Oh my goodness. Head and shoulders on the 15 minute. I think we going down tonight. I hope we are. Bro, no. Don't go up. All right. You're taking the same trade before watching the stream? Nah. The order felt scared you, bro. Imagine. Oh, shoot. My stop loss is right here. It's break even. Maybe that was old. I'm like missing. I'm missing chats. I'm sorry, guys. No, this trade is not taking that long. Like, bro, it's 7 points away. Do you not realize? Like, this is. All right, you know, worst comes to worst, I get break even. Like, worst comes to worst, I get break even, right? No, yeah, these are no activations. No activation fees. All right, this kind of looks like it's not gonna hit now. Hold up. You should trim 20 to 30% of your contracts to the plus one subscriber. 15 minutes as well. Was your risk? I was full porting the account. You don't wait for Asia session. No, bro. I just instantly start trading. All right, guys. If I didn't get your chat message, like, just send it again. I'm sorry. It's just like too hard to read everything. Should I just like take a 5-point profit here? Nah. Either break even or pass. Let's go. Bro, sell all your NASDAQ to. Oh, nah. Alright, whatever. BE or T. No, this is getting BE. Like, this does not look good. It's alright, though. We could just keep waiting. Just keep being patient. I don't mind. There'll come another good opportunity. Yeah, these are no activations. No activation account. Yeah, I don't mind waiting for the next setup, honestly. Just stay calm. Stay calm. Calm. Stay calm. All right, let's go. Imagine it hits though. If this hits, celebration. Celebration. Oh! Yeah. Yeah, it is. Oh, but this can. Oh, nah. Why did it gap up? But yeah, it did kind of like reject off of this gap here. Yeah, my BE is above this gap, so we could still this could still hit. The only thing is like this 5 minute does not look good. How come on copy trading 10 accounts? Because then if I pass all 10, then I have 2 sets, bro. Instead of trading them 5 at a time and having to take more trades. Oh. Yo. But imagine I'll blow them though. Yeah, we're just gonna wait. I low-key am tempted to put my TP like right here at 5 points just to lock in a third of the way, but I am worried about the focus trader program, to be honest. To be very honest with you, I am worried about it. All right, this looks like a BE. I'm just gonna let it like hit my BE, and we're just gonna keep watching. We're just gonna keep watching for the next.
Or
keep watching for the next trade. What would be crazy is if we like started dumping here. That would be a little sad, but this it's all good. Focus trader, like they limit you to 1 account. It's all right. I mean, break even. Not the worst thing in the world, right? Yo, by the way, guys, what account? How many accounts? I have 10, and I also have 3 alphas. Oh shoot, are we like dropping? If that candle closes this week, I'm re-entering, by the way. If this candle closes like this, I'm re-entering.
order filled.
Bro. I just need to make yeah, a little bit less. All right, you know what? Because I re-entered like this, like that is kind of like a good reaction off of this. Because I re-entered, it's getting to the point where like I would start touching it too much. So I just have to accept the probabilities now, and I'm not placing a stop loss. I'm just gonna let it play out. Do I recommend topstep? I think topstep is good. I think my fund of futures is good too. You reduce 1/3 your size, then put stops to break even. Yeah. I might. Yeah. I would want it to. I want it to drop heavy here. Honestly. Like within the next 2 minutes, I want this prior 5 minute candle low to get taken. What's my fave? Favorite funded accounts? I like topstep. I have big balls. Yeah. Yeah, whatever. Yo, guys, by the way, want to know what would be really cool? All right, so I'm planning. Please, like it would just be it just ruin my day if this loses. By the way, I've had my days. Oh, what the heck? Nah, I gotta stick to my original what I said. No, that's 15 minis, bro. I gotta stick to what I said originally. Like I'm just gonna let it play out. I gotta stick to what I said. Anyways, guys, I'm probably people for anyone who's been. It's not revenge trading, bro. Okay, I got break even. Um, but if it does lose, it's gonna be very sad. Honestly, I probably just shouldn't like even buy more accounts. Like I probably just shouldn't reload if I lose these because honestly, now that I think about it, maybe it wasn't like the best. It's not like 8A plus, just because on the higher time frame, like it's not like clear direction on the higher time frame per se. 15-minute looks interesting. I'm just more stuck on the 5 and the 1. But yeah, if anyone here is somebody who's been asking for my strategy, join my Discord server because I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna host a call in there and just go over it. And I'm just gonna like schedule it. I'm gonna send a message in there and people are just gonna join the call. I'm gonna stream, I'm gonna share my screen, show my strategy. Why don't I have a stop loss place? Because it's evals, bro. It's full port. Full port. Kind of sound like Togi. What about what about me sounds like Togi? Yo. Yo, can we please just dump? We're inside a 4-hour bullish gap, but we also on the 1 hour we have this gap below us, and this gap is tiny, bro. We have this entire gap below us that we might be drawing to. So that's what I'm kind of looking at. Do I trade every session? Yeah. Well, I don't trade like every session. If I take my trade in one session, I'm done until the next day. But I've traded every type of session. Have you considered try taking breaks between your? Ooh! Yo! No, please don't come back on me now. Don't come back on me now. Come on. Did we take out this low already? No, we didn't take out the low. We're safe still. Yo. Hey. You know how to trade it out? Yeah. See? Full port. Yo. Oh, come on. Come on. No, I'm full porting. I don't care. It's either hits or it doesn't. I don't care. I don't care, bro. Come on. But yeah, join the Discord server if you wanna learn to trade, bro. From me, because I'm totally a good trader. No, but just join because like there's people in there. I'm trying to build a community, like people that are leveling up. Bro, come on. This is not gonna happen twice in a row where we like almost pass it and then just comes back. Right? Right. No, I'm staying in. Yo, what I just realized, sell. Yo, I would have passed. If I stayed in the original trade, this would have passed, bro. Cause look. Yeah, bro. Oh my gosh. Whatever. I'm staying in. I don't care. I'm staying in. M&Q took it out. Oh, whatever, bro. It's going. It's gonna go. You respect the full port? Yeah, you gotta. Chat average IQ is below 75. Care to explain yourself, bro? I'm full porting, bro. I'm full porting. Full port. Imagine it doesn't, though. That would be like the most. Because if I stayed in the original trade, like, I like that reaction. I like that reaction. How did I know? Like, what? No, it leaves equal and doesn't hit. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. Like I would have went break even if we took out this low, but since we didn't take out the low, I feel like I'm safe. Do you only have accounts with topstep? No, I have accounts with Alpha Futures. These are fundeds. Got some profits on there. We got MFF. We just took a payout in the beginning of this stream. I just took a payout of $4,000, 800 per account. Well, 1,000 per account, 80% profit split equals 800 times 5, 4,000. Boom. And I got a winning day on these. And now I'm trading these evals. And then I'm trading these alphas. So how am I'm copy trading 10 accounts, bro. Because it's evals. If it's XFAs, you can only, the profit split on topstep is 90%. But if it's XF, oh, what is this candle, bro? Nah. This candle's not it. No, this candle's it. Yeah, I like that wick. Yeah, I got no activation fee ones. Why don't I copy trade? Because on the MFF, I was just going for a winning day. Yo, I can't believe if I stayed in the original trade, I would have passed it already. All right. Come on. I like what I see. Yeah. Yo, this is big, guys. This is huge. Wait, what? Oh my goodness. I should just close my eyes. I'm nervous. Can we play chess or something? Normally, like, I just go like this. I just go, all right, let's play some chess. Let's play some chess, bro. Oh, shoot. Now I'm actually in a game. Ooh. Come on. Shoot. I'm terrible at chess, by the way. Go. Kill. I'm about to leave this game. It's too stressful. I'm managing too much at once. Come on. Alright, I'm break even now. For sure. Oh yeah. Come on. Yo, I literally passed. I literally already passed. I literally had enough balance to pass, bro. Yo, what? No way. Please, bro. Can I catch a break? This happened to me yesterday, too. I was one tick away from passing yesterday. Bro. All 10 accounts are passed if this wins. Bro, come on. And I'm in a chess game, too. This is too much, huh? I'm going through a lot right now, guys. I'm winning the chess game. Yeah, how did I not feel? I literally hit. I don't even think I didn't even need that extra tick. I didn't even need it.
Order filled.
All right, yeah. There we go. Yeah, see, I didn't even need that tick, bro. All right, hold up. Bro, this guy's trash at chess. Yo, look how bad he is. What is he doing? Bro. Too easy. Hold up. I just need to finish this game real quick. Oh, shoot, we're dumping. Oh, my gosh. Hold up. What did you just do? Yes. Yo, this is a successful day, guys. This is a successful day. You got to subscribe for that. Come on. All right. What is he doing? He just gave up. He just gave up. Look, all my guys. Look at all my pieces. They're literally all still here. How did he lose so bad? Bro, my queen killed all of his people. Bro, this guy's trash. Hold up. Let me just finish out this game and then I'm going to read the chat again. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, that actually kind of makes sense. I'm 400 elo. Yeah. What do I even do here? Like, I'm not really using my brain right now, bro. I am not using my brain. Oh, there we go. Finally, bro. That was like the easiest chess game I ever played. Okay, back to trading. All right, let's read the chat. Holy goat, 10 funded. Bam, 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 bam. Don't stalemate. Yeah, you gotta activate. Yeah, we're getting ready for the full port again, boys. Yo, let's full port right now. Nah. Full port silver longs. Full port silver longs. All right. Next, we got these boys. All right. So what I'm kind of thinking, I think I might just go short right now. Hold up. I'm kind of thinking that at this point, it's highly likely for us to take out this low right here. How many points is that? Like, I might go short because I feel like we're going to tap into this 4-hour fair value gap right here. Can we get like a retrace though? Maybe I should have shorted with. That's 40 points right there. I could go 3 cons, play it above this. Play it above here. Maybe we retrace a little. Yo, when am I going to get the email that my top steps were passed though? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. What a good day. What a good day. My funded futures payout. My funded futures winning day. Top steps passed. Are we about to get the alpha payout too? No. Listen. My allocation, I got max allo top set. I got 2 sets. I got max allo MFF, and I also have a backup set, and I have max allo on alpha. Yeah, you get kicked out of the position once the session ends. Footprint chart. I usually trade 1 mini on the 50Ks. What do you mean footprint chart? Like, do I search that up? Yeah, usually. Oh shoot, we're going down. Like, I think that this gap is gonna get tapped into for sure. I feel like we're gonna 25 point stop. I could risk 1K. I think I'm gonna do it. Like, I could wait for a retrace, but I'm also scared that we're just gonna dump straight. I'm gonna play a stop like there. Yeah, I do have an LLC. Where is this low at? 863. How much money is that? So that only gives me about $200 buffer. I think I might play my full TP here, and I think I'm gonna start trailing once we go into profits. I think if we go into profits, I find it highly unlikely for us to. Where my stop loss is 29.25, which on this chart is right here. Yeah, that's like already where we tapped into that gap. So even if we retrace up here, like, I just don't really think, like, my stop is fairly protected. And I'm not even like risking full. I could have waited for a 1 minute retrace, but there was a possibility for just a dump. Let's just like look at this on the hourly. Yeah, and we're like behind. Like this hourly is going to close. We're going to be behind this hourly bearish gap that's going to get created. So I think this is like a solid idea. Like I don't mind it at all. All right. Didn't know I went live. Yeah, just testing it out today. I'm also going to post the update video, but I'm curious to see like how if people like less people watch the update video because I went live. I don't know. We'll see what happens. If you can tap the 1 hour gap, yeah, that's the idea behind this trade. I don't know what the taxes are. This is gonna be my first year filing taxes. If I can't really give advice right now, but if anyone wants, I'm gonna be hosting like a Discord call at some point. So join the Discord. Link is in the description, and I'm gonna be like scheduling a call where I just like share what I feel like is decent knowledge with everybody. If you're interested, I mean, I'm not by any means, I'm not like an amazing trader, but I do feel like I know some things. 10 accounts is because you could trade like more than you could trade more because it's combines. But you can't trade this many XFAs, but you could trade this many combines. So when I switch over to XFAs, I'm only going to be able to trade 5. 111 viewers is good. Yeah, solid stuff. These are funded accounts. If this trade hits, I'm securing 8,000, I think. I trade all sessions, but I'm trading Asia today because I got work tomorrow and I don't want to have to trade at work. It's stressful. Bro, the feeling of like blowing an account at work. Nah. The feeling of blowing an account at work is just not it, bro. This is like a solid trade. I'm glad I took it, honestly. Like even if it loses, it's a good idea. Doesn't matter what session you trade. I think what matters most is your patience, and I think that Asia does not always have good volume. Like the past 2 days, Asia has had good volume. This is not always the case. Sometimes it just chops all night. So it really just depends. I was going to sit here, and the reason I'm taking this is because I'm seeing that Asia is having decent volume. You blown an account in school. Yeah, it's painful, bro. You got to mask your emotions. Do I have to go to work after this trade tomorrow? Yeah, I got to go to work tomorrow. Oh, come on. Why are we going up? Oh, it's barely. Can we just like get a quick flush? It'd be really nice. What's my favorite session? London session. I feel like London session's pretty good. Um, 15-minute gap will be created in 3 minutes. Yeah, when the new hourly candle opens, like something could happen. But the thing is that I'm not like we are creating this gap, about a 30-point hourly gap. I'm not really expecting us to completely, like, take that all out. And in order for us to do that, we'd have to destroy all all these gaps down here. I don't think that's gonna happen. So that's why I took the trade. I think if anything, we might have increased bearish volume off of the new candle opening, but you never know what's gonna happen. I'm not trading. I don't trade CPI. I don't like full port CPI. What kind of technical analysis? It's fully discretionary. I trade based off of, whatever I think is going to happen next. Like I just trade based off of like what the next point of liquidity, the next key level that I think is going to get hit next. But again, in the Discord server, I will be hosting some sort of live call, and So just join that. Links in the description to go over whatever my strategy is. Probably not going to upload something on YouTube, to be honest. I'm going to drop sauce that I don't want on YouTube, honestly. Like I don't want it to be public. I don't want it to be like, oh, just out there, like what I'm going to say. Because there's certain things that I'm going to say that I just prefer not to just announce to the world. But 2 more minutes. Hopefully we get bearish volume off of the hourly candle opening. But we'll see. This is a very bearish 15-minute candle. Very, very bearish. Keep opening the wrong thing. And also, for those of you who are watching that like have been watching me for a while, like and you consider me like this guy's a cool guy, you know? Do me a favor. Follow me on Instagram real quick. I want to start posting, but like I want to get some views and likes, you know? Like I only got 39 followers. So only for the people that actually already watch me and they already know they like me, okay? For you guys. All right, 1 more minute till the candle opening. 30 seconds. Let's go. Yeah, look how bearish this thing looks. Damn. This is my first time streaming. I don't know if I'm gonna keep streaming like frequently or not, or if I'm going to just do it this one time. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. It also depends on how my YouTube video does. How my YouTube video do? I'm still gonna post my YouTube video, recapping all this. And shoot, I'm on the wrong thing. And if that video just like doesn't do well because everyone watched this instead, I don't know. But if it still does like really good and still brings me in subscribers and stuff, then I'll probably just stream whenever it's convenient. Because it's honestly like I'm like trading better now. It's like cool. I have more patience. Cut up the live stream. Yo, honestly, my reactions in the live stream are so much better than my reactions like when I'm just by myself. And also like it's recorded. Like I don't always record my trades. Yo, I need someone to, yeah. I'm gonna get, there's this one guy that kind of helps me out. Maybe he'll make me some shorts. But topstep, getting the email that the combines are passed. The Twitch channel, yeah. The reason I am doing the Twitch channel is because if I want to stream like me gaming or just like yapping or whatever, like I'd prefer to just do it on Twitch and not like dilute the YouTube because I mostly do other stuff over here. But so that's why I'm just like linking all my socials there because like if I just put them there now, like even if I don't do anything with them like right now, like over time it's gonna amass like whatever, like people are gonna like follow or whatever for no reason, and then eventually if I do decide to like use those platforms, right, it's gonna be good. Like I'll just have something there. So that's why I just linked all my socials there. 1500, let's go. One more day to pass, man. Full port it tomorrow. It's the method, trust. Why are we wicking so hard? Oh, come on. I got no active top steps now because they're all passed. Should I activate them now? Oh shoot. Should I get out? Should I get out and then re-enter on a confirmation? Nah. What's going on? Maybe it's a protected low. Maybe we don't want to break structure. No, it looks pretty bearish, so the hourly just looks so bearish. 4 hour. We could just chop around for a while though. I'm a natural at streaming. What does that mean? I'm a natural at streaming. I mean, I guess that's a compliment. Maybe I'm just an energetic and entertaining person. I actually used to stream though. I used to have a YouTube. Wait, I'll show you guys my other YouTube channel real quick. Wait, do I want to like expose myself though? Because sometimes I like leaving comments on this channel. I don't want people to like know it's me. You know. But this is my old YouTube channel. Look how famous I was. More famous than I am now. Whatever. Why did I pick the zeros? Because you could pass in a day and they're cheaper. Let's go. Dump, 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 dump. Wait, you used to watch me, bro? There's nah. You're lying. That's impossible, bro. That's impossible. Ooh, the joking days. The joking days. I used to be joking, guys. Joking RL, Rocket League. Why did I stop? Because the game freaking died. Because I was a Rocket League trading YouTuber and they removed trading. So I was like, huh? Nah. Yeah, I made bread. I was like 14, 15. I had like $5,000 to my name from Rocket League trading stuff. Yo, let's keep it moving, NASDAQ. Come on. Come on. I'm not SSL. I'm like champ 1 right now. I actually like went on a binge the other day and I had to uninstall the game because I was playing too much. Need to make more YouTube videos instead, you know? Yeah, I choose contract sizing based on volatility. I think I just stay in the trade. Like, I don't know, even through all this weird stuff we're doing. As long as we're not breaking structure to the upside. Titanium white octane. Yo. I used to be stacked on Rocket League. Hold on, let me show you guys my Steam account, bro. Wait, I just gotta make sure like this thing is like not taking up the whole screen so people know I'm actually a trader, bro. I'm not just like, oh crap, whatever. Wait. Yeah. 2,300 hours played. Yo, look at me. I had the alpha cap. I was like a crazy trader. I was like a well-known trader. When do I go BE? I'm not going BE yet. I had Goldstone alpha wheels. And I had Alpha Boost, bro. I remember I paid like 1,700 Bitcoin for this. $1,700 in Bitcoin. Yo, do I have any? No, that's boring, bro. Only champ 2. I swear I peaked higher than that. I don't know why I screenshot all this stuff. No, really? I was like, really? I had so much better screenshots. Yo, hold on. I think actually if we go to my YouTube channel, my old YouTube channel, there would be better screenshots. Like, or just within the videos, like my inventory was crazy. Like I'm telling you, I was like there was like foreshadowing that I would eventually become a trader because I was like a goated Rocket League trader, bro. All right, come on. Just bless me, NASDAQ. Bless me. Yeah, this kind of looks like maybe a slightly bullish, but I'm not going to do anything until structure breaks because we're still not breaking any highs. Yeah, W lore facts. What games do I play these days? I haven't been playing games. I've just been like making YouTube videos, trading, and doing my work and going for runs, going to the gym, playing guitar. I play a ton of guitar. I posted a cover on this channel. I don't think anyone watched it. Like, I saw a couple people unsubscribe to me because I posted a singing cover. Like, come on, can't a guy just like share his hobbies? Like, I know I'm not good at singing, but like, why, can a guy just share his hobbies with the world? Like, come on. News about Trump striking Iran came out today. Bro, wait, my cover made you depressed? Like, how? I guess no, low key. The reason why I sang that song is, first of all, I love like listening to other people's covers. Like, I watch people's covers on YouTube, and there's this one girl. She's just like, her name's like Nani. She's like, her cover is way better than mine. Like, my cover is like whatever. Like, I want to get better at singing and stuff, but I just felt it, man. I felt it, so I was like, I want to sing this. So I learned it, and then I uploaded it. I was like, why not? Because ultimately, like, I know I'm like posting trading videos right now, but my ultimate goal with the channel is to just document my whole life and just like live a cool life and stuff. So I'm gonna start like, and I don't know if you guys saw, like, I posted a video on like awareness. I posted like just I want to start posting more just talking videos. Like, it seems random, but it's not gonna be random once I get more on. Like, trading videos are so easy to make. It's just quickly I just talk about trading because it's all I do. The other videos take a little bit more. Like, I actually need to lock in, force myself. So eventually I want to take my channel in that direction though, where I'm like, just sharing my entire life and stuff. And I want all you guys to become my cult following that just watches everything, No, I'm kidding. These channels are so, yeah, wide range of interest. There's gonna be like a very select few amount of people that share multiple interests with me, and then they're gonna be like better fans because of that, or like better viewers, I should say. I want to be ninja. Wait, what do you mean? Yeah, you passed your top step combine. Why is your max loss limit 100K? No, this is alpha accounts. These are alpha accounts. Yeah, no problem. All right, people having conversation. No, yeah, no. If these accounts go down to a 100,000 balance, then I lose them. We're just like kind of going sideways, but at the same time, like on the 5 minute, whenever you see it slow down like this, like you could easily see like a retrace. And then like this candle's gonna close like this, we could easily retrace into this gap. So we could be waiting for a while, honestly. It's fine. Starboy, what's good? I use a Streamlabs. Yo. Like, ideally we just go boo, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. Because the 5 minute looks like it wants to retrace. Maybe I should just get out and then like get back in later. Yo, for the people that followed me on Instagram, appreciate it. I'm at 43 followers. I'm gonna start posting. I'm gonna take some of the clips from this stream. Like, the clip of me passing the 150K combines is fire. Do I only trade? No, I have a job, and I'm like 21, so I still live at home. But I want to start another side hustle. Trading's kind of unstable. Hold up. Cousin just texted me. We might go on a little cousin trip together to Texas, visit my sister and his sister. So my cousin are both in Texas. Just like go down, hang out. Uh, I like what I see. Once we take out this low, I'm definitely like more interested in going break even. Dang. I thought we might flush out. We could still. Maybe I should trail stop behind this high because if we break out this, if we break above this high, then it's likely we might retrace further before continuing down, but I'm not sure. You're looking at gold for longs? Let's see. That's not something I would trade personally. Just like, I mean, like, let me just look at this. Eh, it looks sketch. I don't really have strong enough of a bias on that in any direction. Okay, we're continuing down, sorta. Okay, we're near low of day again. Which Lambo am I buying? I don't care about cars. Before I buy any car or anything, I'm buying rental properties, bro. Because I just need comfort and less stress about, finances. I'm really stressed out right now, even though I'm like literally living with my parents still. Like I'm fine, but I'm just stressed out. Like I feel like I need to make bread and become financially free. Yeah, I needed to break low of day. All right. I keep forgetting the fact that if this trade hits, which it just might hit, I'm gonna get 8.1k payout. 100 viewers is crazy. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I didn't know how much I was gonna get. Like, I started off when I started off, I had like 20 viewers. I was like, oh, this is cool. Like, I got 20 viewers, and then just like more people started coming. I was like, oh. And then like when I was like winning the top step trade, I had like 104. I was like playing chess at the same time, bro. Wait, which asset has space to go down? Because like this, I don't like. I wish that we would just go straight, honestly. But like, yeah, maybe I should chill stop behind this because if we break that, then that's breaking structure, and then I can re-enter at later. Like, I could just re-enter later. But this, like, I don't really see this happen. Like, this kind of candle happen, and then we just engulf it. That's just weird to me. What do you mean my stop is so wide? I'm risking $1,000. Like that's fine. I'm gonna go break even. I'm going break even and re-entering later if it gives me something. Well, the point just being that like if I lose, I lose. It's just like that's part of the game, right? Uh, but I'm break even here because if we break up, then we might just retrace, chop, 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 and then continue lower. In which case, then I'll re-enter, or we could just dump through here. Like it looks like we might respect this, right? We might respect it. Let me just mark out on the chart where my break even spot is. 99.50. So I'm gonna mark that on the chart. 99.50 so I could see it. We got a little space. As I said, this 5-minute structure just looks really weird. The fact that we're like, I've never seen like this kind of candle and then like one that engulfs it. That's just like doesn't make sense. So this actually makes sense right now, how we're just rich. Yeah. And then we gap down on this candle. You see that? It's pretty bearish. It's pretty bearish looking. Back into solid profits. If I reach a point of success in trading, then maybe I'd quit. If it just doesn't make sense to work anymore, like, but the thing about trading is it's just kind of stressful. So the way that people make trading less stressful, if it's their full-time thing, is they sell courses, and I don't want to sell courses. I'd rather have like an authentic, pure channel where I'm not trying to gouge money out of my viewers. Like, it just feels slimy. I see everyone doing that. I'm like, I don't want to do that. It's above decision line and below almost 20% from resistance. I don't know what that means really. All I know is that if it goes up, then I'm getting stopped out, and then I'll re-enter later. Or I could just secure a winning day. Be like, I'm done. Winning day. I'm kind of nervous because now that I have those topstep accounts, the pressure's on again to like kind of do something. My TP's down here. But break, like, yeah, it's gonna hit my break even. That looks pretty bullish. Well, it's not closing there though. How much time is left in this candle? 12 seconds. Ooh, I like that. I like that wick. Come on. Why did you choose work over college? Because I thought college was a waste of time and money. I made some mistakes in my life, but I mean, I'm not saying dropping out of college was a mistake. It was a rash decision for sure though. But I'm making money at work, and honestly, like, I need to lock in at work. I haven't been treating it well enough because I just really want trading to work, but yeah. Man, I'm just like, this is taking forever, man. This freaking trade. So much waiting and watching. For work, I'm a data engineer and analyst for now. If I don't get fired. Do I think I will trade for a lot? Honestly, like, trading is really stressful. Like, I hope it becomes less stressful as I get better, but I'm kind of tempted to just play my stop where I originally had it. Like, I just don't think that. I just feel like it's impossible for us not to hit. Like, even if I take some drawdown, I don't want to have to like look at so many different trades. I've been trading for 9 months. I guess we come back up into here and I get a better entry maybe. I don't know. This is annoying. NASDAQ can't just make my life easy, can it? Can it? By the way, guys, join the Discord server. Link in the description. Trading / life improvement community. It's good. No, I trade all sessions. I'm just trading Asia today because I felt like it. I'm doing pretty well for 9 months. Thank you. I've also spent crazy money. Why am I trading Asia? I always get my winning days in Asia, and then also there was like decent enough volume, and then I took a solid trade to pass my 10 tops up 150Ks. And that was, oh my goodness, the dopamine, bro. The dopamine from that. and then I just saw, like, off the hourly, it looked like we're gonna go to this gap, but we're just dilly-dallying now. So I went break even on this trade. And if we like chop up and then start coming back down, confirm, then I'll take the trade down to the gap. Asia's not bad to trade though, if there's volume. But we are kind of just doing nothing now. This does look like we're planning on retracing up to this EMA a little and then potentially continuing down, which is probably going to take me out. I get taken out if we literally just tap into this 15-minute gap, which is very reasonable, I think. So what's your confidence on this trade? Hourly close, untapped hourly gap below us. Bearish gaps. This point of liquidity right here. Took out these highs. I'll be going over my strategy in the Discord server. Like, I'm gonna host a call at some point. So everyone asking, join the server. Link in the description, and I'm gonna schedule a call for everyone. And I'm just gonna go live on the call. No one else is gonna be able to talk except for me. I'm gonna share my screen and go over it. But I'm not making a. How much money have I spent? I don't even have the exact number, but it's a lot. I've gotten like maybe like 70K in payouts, and I've probably spent like 90K. But the first 3 months, I just straight lost like crazy money. So there's that. I was first 3 months I lost crazy money, like crazy money. Next 3 months I was profitable. Next month I was break even. Next 2 months I just like went on a full drought of like my mental was terrible. Went on a payout drought, and I lost money again. And then now I'm making money again. But how do I get 90K to spend on firms? Because when I first started off, I already had a ton of money saved. But I also, a lot of that money is coming from the payouts that I'm getting. Because if I spent 90K and I got whatever amount, then, then I only really spent the delta. But I really believe that all of everything is just like psych issues. Yes, it's a lot of accounts. I'm a data analyst engineer. How do I approach trading prop firms? I'll go over that in the Discord server. But like, yeah, I'm gonna like host a call or something. I've been telling people that, but I also feel like I'm not super qualified. Like, I know that I have a lot to work on, but I do know that for a fact that like it is psychology. Like, I am so confident that it's my psychology is the problem. My Fund Future dashboard, yeah, I'm on like account number 400. But this is the current accounts I'm on. I'm gonna schedule it. 7 years in trading is crazy. Yo. Bro, this is so stupid, bro. Like, why does it default open to that crap? I've been trading for 9 months. Alrighty. Like, that looked bearish, but we're not closing weak. Maybe we're just going to chop around and then I've seen this happen before. Oh boy. Are we just going to like chop, and then go down? And not really retrace that hard? Like, what's going to happen? How much? Well, I got the payout out of my first ever accounts. So I don't ever trade gold. If you've been in the eval for 2 weeks, you're doing it wrong. Full port your evals. It's less than 10% that can quit their job from trading, honestly. Have you heard about the trade the pool prop firm? No, I haven't. It's a 50K core account. It's not a rapid. Do not go for the rapids. They're bad. I make alright money. My job. Look up. Y'all look similar, bro. You just sent me like some Asian name, like a little bit. I'm not searching that up. Bro, almost six figures in payouts and almost six figures in money spent. It's not that impressive. But wait another couple months. Mark my words. Mark my words. Did I ever do stocks? I lost money in crypto by being a degen. Yeah. Well educated for 9 months. I've been like obsessed, man. Do I use Wise? No, I use Rise and I use just ACH transfer. How much I've been paid out? About like 70K. But I've spent a lot, guys. I'm not profitable. How much fundeds am I rocking? I got these 3 Alpha 100Ks. I got these 5 MMFF 50K cores, and I have 5 core backups 50Ks. And then I just passed today all these topstep evals, 10 150K, so I'm about to activate some of them. I probably won't trade them today. Yeah, dude, it's not. I'm not proud of my trading, but I've gotten so much better, and I understand my problems, and it's psychology holding me back. Like literally blew 13K payout like for no reason. I don't know if you guys saw that video, but I used to play League. What's your motivation? People who grind like you usually have fast jump. I think it's self rejection. Just feeling like feelings of rejection probably. I've reflected on that. It really you're right. Traumatized people or people that are hurting or unhappy tend to be the ones that grind like that. So, but yeah, if I start getting if I post a recap video and it gets views, like it doesn't get less views because of the stream, then I'll probably stream more. Also, I could tell that I'm a little bit more calmer and trading better, a little bit better. So, and also, lots of you guys tuning in. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. I just do want to quickly say that this channel is not only trading; it's my entire life. That's why I posted a video of me singing. So if you're here, you're sticking around for all of it. I don't care about a house or Bugatti, bro. What's your goal for this year in trading? Consistent 25K profit months. Any alpha on how to play the prop firm game? Join the Discord server for the call that I'm gonna host. The link is in the description, or it's like there's a button down there. Also follow me on Instagram, guys, please. I want more Instagram followers. I'm gonna start posting on there. Entertainment purposes only. Why? I trade minis. I never trade less than 1 mini. Yeah, the reason why I want to make money is just to be financially secure and like win back my time, like not have to work a 9 to 5 and just be able to like play my guitar all day long and go for intense workouts and runs and eat healthy and just have time. That's important to me. 3 years in and past year, I've never done FTMO. I don't even know what that is. Yeah, everyone grinds for different goals though. I personally don't care as much about the materialistic things. At least right now. Maybe one day I'll start wanting those things. Who knows? Maybe I'm shallow. Oh come on, this is a aggressive. Oh, it just wicked. And just like slowly chopping down. This looks pretty good actually. And on break even, so I don't even have like trade music. Yeah, exactly, bro. Music is so much fun. So much fun. It's like my favorite thing. I like going for a run, lift, play pickleball, play my guitar. YouTube is really fun actually. Like, this is pretty fun. What guitar? This is like my dad's old guitar. Very old. I'm not good. Alpha Futures will shut down Project X, so if I still have those accounts around then, they'll transfer it over to Tradeovate. It's no big deal. By the way, once I hit 6.1k balance, I technically could just stop and then secure the payout. But I want a little extra buffer. I'm gonna start trailing once we tap into this gap. I'm gonna start trailing. Let me just put like a horizontal ray at like, this is the gap right here. Personally doing it for the woman. Yo, that's valid though. At least you like are aware. Like, people need to be more aware like how motivated they are by just wanting, you know, a relationship. Like, you just need to accept that you're a human being and you crave that. And like, a lot of people just for some reason think that their motivations are something else. Like, a lot of times that's just what it is. But yeah. My confluences for this trade: very strong bearish close on the hourly, inverted this gap. We have untapped hourly fair value gap and 4-hour fair value gap. 15-minute was bearish, and I was able to play a protected stop when I first entered the trade. My stop was protected behind this structure, all of these bearish gaps right here. So this is a good point of invalidation. Like, if we take this out, then we're probably not gonna really continue down. But yeah, and then also like just being able to know I can go break even if we hit into this gap. And not only that, but we liquidated out this high and this high, right? And now we're rejecting off of it. So those are my confluences. I don't trade crypto. I've lost money in crypto before. You were going to get in, but you missed it. Yeah, I think it's like a decent trade, but it's just no retracements. So it's just going slow. It's taking forever. It's kind of annoying. Yeah, I'll show you guys my settings. Yeah, if this hits, am I self-taught? Yeah, it's mostly discretion. And I've watched so much content. I've watched so much trading content. Not all of it is good, but yeah. It'd be nice if we could just like, I don't have to sit here and watch all the time. I didn't trade this morning. I traded last night, Asia. I post video recaps every single day, so you can watch. A lot of people ask me, "Oh, what'd you do? What'd you take?" I'm like, "It's on my YouTube, bro. You can literally see." I'm very, very transparent. I'm probably one of the most transparent people there are. I've never traded Forex, so I can't tell you what's better. How long have you been trading? 9 months. 9 months. I trade all sessions, but I've been trading Asia the past couple days because there's been good movement. Yeah, sometimes I trade at work, but I'm trying not to. I need to lock in at work. Make sure my job's a little more secure. I've low-key been not doing good. Don't tell anyone though. If I were to trade New York session, the only day I would be able to stream would be on Friday because I work from home on Friday. Otherwise, I'm in the office. Any advice for new traders? My advice is to stick to one strategy and prioritize psychology, because as long as you have good psychology, you can start to identify your weaknesses and your edge. You can fix your edge, but you don't even know if your edge needs fixing if your psychology isn't good. Risk to reward. My risk to reward can vary. Like, obviously there's points in the market where there is an opportunity for crazy good RR. And there's points, and you can still be confident about it, right? There's points where there's opportunity for crazy good RR, and you can be confident about it. But there's also points in the market where there's not good opportunity. So if I see something where it's like, I think this is going to happen, and the RR happens to be good because I think it's going all the way there, then like I'll take it. But the worst RR I'm going to ever take is 1-to-1. Your emotions getting to you. I think this is your last trade. You're with 400 profit. Or pass the account you got all day. Yeah, if you're getting emotional, just step away. You pass the 50K zero. Not nice, man. Lock in. Come on. How do you know if your psychology is good? I think you just know, like, based off of if you're doing the things that you told yourself you would do. My psychology personally is not really good. Psychology is so important. Yeah. If I had good psychology, guys, I'd be printing. I promise you that. I promise you. I feel like I have good reads on the market. I would be printing. Yeah. Psychology is the hardest part about trading, by far. Yo, I just realized that I just gained like how many subscribers? Like I just gained like 50 subscribers during this stream. What the heck? I'm falling behind. Should you jump? Or the best time to join? I just started off with prop firms immediately. Just start with one account. If you have money, just start off with one account. Negative R is like smoking. You think it's nasty until you're hooked. Maybe. It could be good. I mean, I go negative RR for winning days. 150 away from passing. Once I see a move, I'm like, yeah, dude. There's so many times I've been like $100 away from passing, and somehow I like bottom tick or something. Bro, yeah. If you're blowing accounts, like I've been in the same spot, but you just need to take like trades that you're confident in every time. What I noticed is that when I'm like tilted, I take a trade that I'm not even confident in, and then I'm just mad at myself because it's like I didn't even take something I was confident in. Yellow line / key levels. This low here, this high here, this untapped gap. This was just my stop loss. And this is like this high back here. It's just like key highs that I'm keeping an eye out for. I told myself I'd look for a long in that area. Yeah, I mean, this morning I think longs were good just off of this 5-minute close for these highs. Right, this high actually. That was good RR as well, because you could have played a stop below this gap, 100-point stop, and 150-point TP. It was good RR. I'm trading. I look at every time frame. My psychology isn't good because I break my rules all the time. I can't walk away from losses. Yeah, dude, start posting on YouTube. It's fire. It's so fun. So much dopamine from the subs you gain. Waited for retail. Yeah, it hasn't retraced. It's real weird. You kind of had to get in off the hourly close, honestly. 15 fundeds, bro. I've blown more accounts than you. Or funded accounts. Yeah, I've blown more funded accounts than you. Wait, have I? I've blown 10 funded accounts. But I blew so many evals, so. First time on my stream? Welcome, Martin Sauce. Martin Suarez, 2038. Took the confident trades pass, and then Sunday night, and then I just lose your brain cells. I don't think you need a max loss limit on your fundeds. I think you just, like, full porting is fine, technically, in my opinion. I got really lucky and I got my first payout within like my first 2 weeks of trading, but that was complete luck. If you're getting payouts on less than 50% of your fundeds, you're doing something wrong though. But I've probably blown more accounts than everyone here, I guarantee you. So once I fix my psych issues, I'm just going to just start printing. I'm gonna be making bread. I've been training for 9 months. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Can we just like flush out, please? Are we tapped into this 5-minute gap? This looks like, I mean, I don't like this wick, but we could just fill it in. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I mean, I've definitely blown more than you, honestly. I'll probably eventually make a video on like my exact breakdown, but I'll do it like once I like get some more payouts, you know, so it looks better. Wait, you got 0 payouts? All right, listen, you're gonna have to join the call in the Discord. You're gonna have to join the call in my Discord because I can actually help you. Like, I'm gonna help you guys for free. I don't care. Like, I guarantee you, if you guys don't start getting payouts after that call in Discord that I'm gonna host within the next month. Yeah, this trade is taking forever, bro. What do you need proof for? When is it gonna be? You gonna post the link? Yeah, it's in the description, or there's like a button under the stream. It says Discord community. So just click that button and it should bring you there. I'm gonna post probably an announcement or something, tag everyone and schedule something. Dude, 65K and got banned. That's crazy. Yeah, these prop firms, man, they're for profit. Yo, please don't go up. Can we please just tap into this gap? Come on. I do not trade silver, but I've been tempted to. This long was crazy. Would have been crazy good long. If I looked at it, I would definitely want to take trades on it, but I just don't really look at it. Oh, come on. Why are we going up? Why are we going up? I don't know why someone has to prove how many accounts they've blown. Like, who would lie about that? Like, I would understand if you're like telling someone to prove to you of payouts or something, you know? But anyways, damn, I've gained like 60 subscribers just from this one stream. That's insane, bro. Maybe I'll need to start streaming more. Maybe it's the method to grow on YouTube. Do I trade New York? Yeah, I trade New York. I just saw this, so I was like, welcome, Joshua. Joshua Joyner. Yeah, I gotta stream more, bro. I like streaming, actually. It's like cool to like chat with people. Where am I from? I'm from USA, New Jersey. It's like cool to chat with people. Normally it's like so boring when I'm trading out. I'm trying to hit some dopamine by like clicking some buttons. But now I'm like just chilling, you know? But it's also because I've won every trade, so it's a lot easier. You see my vids, but was like, he's streaming. Yeah, hop in, tap in. Trying to get in my Discord. Yeah, there's a link in the description. Or there's like a button. It says like Discord community. Follow me on Instagram too, guys, while you're there. Like if I hit like 100 followers, that'd be sick. Yeah, you cannot degen while people are watching you. Like I refuse. Like that, it's just embarrassing, right? Like I'm not streaming to publicly humiliate myself. Freehold area, nice. I'm in like Central Jersey. Chatting is easier to maintain. Yeah, exactly. It distracts me. I always hit my best trades while I enter a chess game. You know. You had to copy paste it. Here. Let me fix the description then. That might be my bad. Because I forgot to add the https:// https:// Watch. All right. Let's see if it fixes it now. Maybe you should jump on live. But the first time I went live, like, I got like 2 viewers, bro. I don't even know how I'm getting like 136 now. I don't edit my YouTube videos. I just record them and upload them. Taking a loss live is worse than trading alone, yeah. Which funded do you think is the best? MFF is easiest to get payouts with. Yeah, dude. Making content is good. Making content is good. Four random people so you don't degen. Bro, I might just start joining the call on my server. By the way, guys, I made it so that the link in the description is clickable now if you refresh the page. I'm sorry about that. You get on. Let me just take a look at this trade real quick. All right, I like how we're not pushing through this gap. You got on for the trade. Wait, what? You got on the For You trade of all the For You page? Lock myself out, gang. Good, good. Do you make money off the trading? Yeah, you can make money off of these sim accounts. This is Alpha. Yeah, Alpha's getting rid of Project S. This is Alpha. If I win this trade, I'm gonna get a 8.1k payout. I already traded, got a winning day on an MFF. Took a payout beginning of the stream. I took this 4k payout. As you can see, 547. And past these accounts, I need to activate them. What the heck? I could activate this, see? But I'm not activating them yet. I don't want to get too tempted to trade them right now, honestly. All right, I like what I see. Reacting down. Confused on direction. I'll come back later. Up 321, 1200 from passing. This is a very important. Yeah. Just chill out, man. Chill out. If you're emotional, chill out. Or it's because they take your simulation trade. No, they make money off of people being stupid and blowing accounts. That's how they make money. Yeah, they don't copy we all suck at trading. They don't copy our trades. Trust me. Yeah, I think that if we break down here, we could push pretty hard. At least to this 4-hour gap, which I have marked out at 864. But MFF, you go for the core accounts. Trust me, they're the cheapest ones. They're the best. I've been using Project X for 6 months. Transition. I actually Tradeovate. I don't mind it. The only thing is the brackets. You know, one cancels other. You can't do that on Tradeovate, which is a little less good. But you can't like drag your things around as well. You have to like. I always have to watch a trade and then I have to click exit cancel all at the end of the trade. Because you can't, it doesn't make it so that it automatically takes away your stop loss. That's the only thing. Bro, I'm not getting Lambos, bro. Second person that asked me that. Rapid is so bad. It's a daily trailing something. I don't use Trade Syncer because I've heard bad things about it. Also, I don't take the same trades on all firms. I just do it separately most of the time. But yeah. Yeah, TradingView is good. TradingView is good. I've never actually executed on TradingView, but I'm always looking at it. Always looking at it. This looks actually really good. I like what it's doing right now. I think that my trade is probably going to play out, which would be crazy, guys. This is crazy. I come off of going through one of potentially the biggest breakthroughs ever, and then I sell the bag, by blowing a 6K top step balance in a day for no reason. And then I come back and I pass. Okay, this is actually not a good comeback because it took me way too many tries to pass the 150Ks, but we're back and there's a solid chance I'm going to get a payout on those. And then gonna get a payout on these things if this hits. And then I have more balance to farm out of these. Like I'm actually maybe in a good spot right now if this trade hits. Maybe honestly I'll just like rest my mind too. Do these accounts only allow you to trade like futures? I don't know. I've never tried to trade something else. I only trade NASDAQ. Yeah, these firms they only work with like you can't trade stocks with these firms. How's it going until now? The stream is going great, man. We've only taken dubs today. First time getting funded, and you've been full porting every trade, and now they're reviewing it to get. Did you have like consistency rule or something? I don't think you're gonna get denied unless there's a consistency rule. Or I don't know what firm you're on. Other online businesses, I started a YouTube channel before starting trading, and then I decided that I'm not going to do social media because everyone doing social media just sells courses. So I was like, I'm not doing this. So then I started trading. My IQ, bro? I don't know what my IQ is. 5 profitable days. Yep, there are five days. So I'm gonna have 3 days if this trade hits. I'll have 3 days. Then I just need to farm 2 more days. You're welcome for sharing. Thank you for following along and subscribing, bro. Appreciate it. End of day trailing. Yeah, most accounts are end of day trailing, but MFF rapids are intraday. What's the P&L? What do you mean P&L? Like all in all, I'm not profitable. I will be there soon though. I guarantee it. I don't full port CPI. Yeah, I think that this trade looks really good actually. Looks good. Definitely looks good. Intraday, it just means like intraday trailing drawdown is essentially where like you will like let's say I'm in this trade, right? Like I'm at like 1,000 in profit and then it comes back on me and I get break even. Then I lost $1,000 of drawdown because it trails to your highest intraday balance. It's crazy. It's so bad. Oh, for today, we got the winning day on this. I took a 4K payout from MFF. I passed my 10 150K top step combines, and I am in this alpha trade that if it hits, I'll be able to secure a payout. So that's today. How long are you able to take to scale from your first payout? My first payout, I got lucky, so it doesn't really count. I think I'm scaled up too much considering my psychology struggles. I full port on. I'm a full porter, like very much so. I definitely size heavier on evals though. Yeah, for the trail intraday trailing, you definitely want to be trailing. You're in Bergen County, play pickleball. What level pickleball player are you? Thank you, on God, for real. Evals, you should go heavy on a nice setup. Exactly, that's what I do. I full port it. Full port evals. How much money do I make a week? I mean, last week I got like 17K in payouts. This week I got a $4,000 payout, but I spent like 13K on evals in the past 2 weeks. So it's bad. But I also have these accounts with balances that I'm going to be able to take out 8K from. If this trade wins, I'm going to be able to take 8K. And then I have these top step accounts that I just passed. So I have stuff, but I'm spending too much. Like I should not be spending this much. Can you full port on a funded ACG? I don't know what that ACG is. I'm not balling, guys. I'm not. I wish I was. I was about to get another 13K from topstep, but then I blew it because I was being stupid. There's a video on my channel. But if you guys want to do me a quick favor, follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna start posting like more trading content on here. I'm gonna post on like my story. And I don't really like feel like making reels, but I want to post on like my story and stuff. Just updates. So if you guys like actually are watching my channel and you want to tune in and stuff, just follow the Instagram, join the Discord. Links in the description. This looks good. I like this. This definitely looks good. Next hourly candle is about to open too. Alpha Capital Group, I've never traded with them. With strategy, it's fully discretionary. It's my instincts. I'm hosting a live call in the Discord server. I'm gonna schedule it at some point in the Discord server, and whoever's in there, I guess, can participate. How does your computer have so many tabs? I have like a really expensive computer that I bought like a long time ago because I used to stream Rocket League on my old YouTube channel. You lost 15K. That's tough, man. It's part of the game. It's part of the journey. I started it like 20 minutes before Asia session started. I'm from the New Jersey. Don't share your secrets about Alpha Decay. Alpha Decay. Alpha Decay only exists for if the trades are taken in live market. Think about it. Think about it. Yeah. If doom scrolling gets to you, do not reinstall it just to follow me. I reinstalled Instagram just to start a social media account, and then doom scrolling gets to me. Like, think about that. Think about how stupid that is. What rank was I? I peaked Champ 3, Div 4 before SSL came out. How come you trading fewer contracts? I'm just trading based stuff of like what makes sense. I was risking like $1,000. I didn't need to size up at all. How do you balance this with social life? I don't have a social life. I have no friends. All I do is I trade, I work out, I just grind, bro. I trade and I stay healthy, I work out, I eat healthy, I go to work, I play my guitar. I'm gonna make it. Social can wait. I don't need a girlfriend, bro. Girlfriend can wait. Yeah, bro. Social media just takes so much time. All right, new hourly candle. I like it. Will I take you as my friend? I chat in my Discord server to people. Anyone in my Discord, I talk to them. But I don't really DM people. What do I do for work? Data analytics engineering. We can share girlfriends, bro. I ain't sharing with you, bro. What? What kind of... Nah. That's crazy. Yeah, you only need a couple. Link to Discord is in the description. Bro, I don't want your girlfriend, bro. Chill. It's weird. Low key gay, bro. That's way beyond being gay. Concerning. You'll just get in. Bro, I do not share, okay? Like, share boyfriends. That's more valid, honestly. Yo, can we just dump already? Like, how long am I gonna have to watch this, bro? Genuinely. Like, we can share trading views. Bet. Hello, sir. Are you going to make millions one day? Maybe. Too many cucksies. Dude, I see these people on this guy on YouTube. He's like, it's like low key sexist, but it's so funny. It's like people talking about stop being part of the cuck army, blah blah blah. And I just watch this stuff and I laugh. But yeah, I've been in this short for a while. Ladies cost a lot. Yeah, I mean, hopefully you don't get like a gold digger. What does it take to become a data analytics engineer? I just low key taught myself. Like, not to toot my own horn, but I feel like I'm pretty smart. Like, I'm a quick learner with stuff, so I just taught myself. Oh, you shorted sooner. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I'm definitely like trailing aggressively once we take out this low right here. Uh, at night I trade, yeah, but I also trade at work sometimes, low key. Can we like go? Holy moly, kaboli, mamoli. How long am I gonna be stuck here for? How old am I? I'm 21. Yeah, I could low key see a bounce. I kind of want to get out. No, I kind of want to get out. I don't know what you mean by do you trade price action? My strategy is fully just like my intuition. I'm gonna trail my stop further. You just went long. The only thing about long is like you're fighting the trend without crazy confirmation. And there's nothing that we're like reversing off of. I've been trading for 9 months. Like we could reverse here, but what are we reversing off of is the question. All right, I wouldn't call myself a god of trading, okay, but I feel like I feel like my discretion's pretty good. But if you want to call me a gambler, you can call me a gambler. Does it matter to me whether you call me a gambler or not? No. I don't. I've never ever used level 2 order book data, and I don't feel like I need it. But if I saw it, like if I was trading and I saw it, like I probably would end up using it in my brain, right? But because I haven't ever used it, um, I just it's not part of you know what I'm saying. Like you take in all the data and you like make something of it, right? So every day you start notice patterns. But since I never had that pattern there, like I just don't, you know. But if I bought it, then maybe it would provide value, maybe it wouldn't. Not here to hate. All right. I mean, I have like a different philosophy, but um, I'm not gonna take any offense. Everyone's entitled to their own opinions. I feel like I'm on a path that's gonna lead me to where I want to go. I could be wrong. I could be completely wrong, but yeah. I mean, considering trailing a little tighter, locking in a little more. Am I religious? Yes, there has to be a God. I mean, we didn't just like show up for no reason, right? And we didn't just show up. We didn't just like spawn in. Like I don't believe in just like thinking that we just like showed up for now. How's it going, Shrink Pearl? I've never backtested before. I wonder what would happen if I did. Money Mike. Yeah, maybe. How much did you risk in eval? I just full pour my evals personally on a good trade though. When I don't full pour it on a good, when I full pour it on nothing, I lose it. When I full pour it on a good trade, I pass. Can you explain the reason of this trade? Yeah. So basically, I entered right around something like this because the hourly candle was about to close, invert this gap, very bearish, reacting off of this high and this high. Where is it? No, this high and this high, and we have this untapped hourly fair value gap below. And my stop was protected by all of this action right here, which I would have. Oh my goodness, where's the top of this? I played my stop like right here, so it was protected by all of this downward action, and we would have had to take out like these highs. Doesn't make sense, so I'm just banking on this low getting taken out. My data and analysis, not really. I think that it's just my brain, bro. I think it's just my brain. My brain's like AI, it just gets trained off of watching so many candles. Forward testing live markets recording is more effective than back testing? Yeah, honestly, yeah. Sizing and thought process. When I host a live call, everyone can ask questions and I'll answer as many I can in the Discord server. Link in the description. Yeah, bro, I'd struggle with emotions when I take classes as well. Yeah, I think intuition is the best way to trade. Personal opinion. But it requires high levels of psychology because you don't have specific rules. God gifted you this trading skills. You are chosen to lead the rest of us. You're like our trading Moses. Whoa, where'd you get that from? Yeah, we did not just spawn in. Exactly. Like, we didn't just spawn in here. Facts. All right. Can we let go? The fact that we're just chopping makes me even more bearish. Because I feel like if we were to go up, then we would have started going up. Bro. Alright, let's catch up on some chat. How long did it take you to pass 100K? I did it in one day, one trade for the alphas. Yeah, my friends will tell me like I'm stupid. Don't tell your friends about trading, bro. Don't tell anyone, honestly. I haven't met a single. There's like one person maybe that's like supportive and doesn't say you're being dumb. It's just not worth telling anyone, honestly. Don't tell anyone. Most support you're gonna find it. The most support I've ever gotten from trading is when I started this channel because all the other traders find me and they relate. You know, like don't tell people in real life, bro. Not good. They're gonna think less of you. They're gonna think of you like a gambler. What's my full port strat? It's my strategy. It's just my strategy. Again, gonna host a call in my Discord server. So just join up. Join up. Yeah, I thought I was profitable at 1.2, and then I went through a 2-month payout drought. So, ooh, like this. You see that? I have followed gurus for sure. I have followed lots of trading people, but I ultimately think that the most progress I think that having a mentor actually can be helpful if it's the right person. But they need to be personally invested in you. You don't want just one of those mentors that's trying to get like as many students as possible and make money. That's a mistake I made. Um, like if you want a mentor, make sure that they're personally invested in you. I like what I'm looking at. I like what I'm seeing. Just took out low of days, but we're wicking off of it. Bro, that's what I'm saying. Like people have literally DM'd me asking me to teach them how to trade or asking me if I have a course. Like no, like I don't. I think the most I would do is maybe get some affiliate links, but even that I wouldn't shove it in people's face. And then I would like maybe have like a calendar call. Like you can schedule a call with me, but like I wouldn't even be doing it for money at that point. Like it's just it would cost money so that it's not just like anyone could just sign up and ask me for my time. You know, like that's the most I would do. I'm not like selling a course and trying to get like generational wealth off of a course. That's just so slimy, bro. Like I don't want to do that. I don't know how much people make from the affiliates, but like if my viewers who like me are already buying accounts, like they might as well just support me, right? Like that's my kind of logic. Like I'm not trying to like make people buy more accounts. Just like if you're already buying accounts, just like use my code. If my content is helpful to you or you like me, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I don't care about selling. I don't really. I'm not even I don't even consider myself profitable or consistent yet, but all right, let's go. Let's get this over with. What? Look at this 15-minute though. Like, what is going on? You use my code. Thank you. This live. This is a fun simulated funded. So it's not a live account, but I can make real money off of these. Strategy is just my personal discretion. I don't think course selling is bad. I just find that most course sellers push it really hard, like more than they should. Yeah, I might just add some affiliate links, honestly. I probably will. I don't see any problem with affiliate links. I've been trading for 9 months. How did I start? This is my first stream. This is my first stream, bro. Actually, this is my second stream. My first stream was like 4 months ago. I had like 2 viewers. I just started streaming today and just like, I don't even know what happened, bro. Wait, how? I've literally gained like 90 subscribers from this stream, bro. Like, what? I'm telling you, bro. I trade all sessions. Whenever market looks good. I don't like how we're coming back up here after taking out low of day, and I don't like this 15-minute being really slow either. Like I want it to flush. We're so close to this gap. You don't have to charge anything? Yeah, exactly. Affiliate links don't cost your followers anything. So far, streaming and YouTube has been keeping me accountable and in check, I feel. I don't want it to become pressure. The guy was posting demotrays. Yeah, it's just such a scam, bro. I do trade New York sometimes. Well, actually, a lot. I trade New York session like whenever. Honestly, I just trade whenever. There's no like specific rules about when I can trade. I'm not a full-time trader. I have a job and I'm 21 and I still live with my parents. But I might move out soon. Come on. Yeah, see how we're like consolidating like this? Like I feel like that means that the next move is going to be a little bit more rapid. Yeah, it's probably better to trade one session. New news day trading. I don't care if there's news ever. I barely pay attention to that. I trade at work sometimes. That's how I trade with a full time job. I just don't care. If I'm at work, I'm trading. If I need to take a trade, like I'll trade. Oh, I'm using like Streamlabs OBS or something. Like as you can see here, you just put on a camera on top of your screen. So there you go. It's gotta flush, hopefully. My profession, data analytics and engineering. You were just gonna use what YouTube had ready, yeah. Just use whatever. I pulled the screen down. Yo, my bad. Yo, oh shoot, my yo my stream like on my YouTube was delayed, so I didn't even like I didn't even see, bro. That's hilarious. Am I gonna stream more often? Maybe. Yeah, I mean I gained like 90 subs, so that's kind of a lot of subscribers to gain. So it's kind of like good to stream, honestly. You're about to stream with me, bro. Streaming is goated. I've seen a lot of people comment on my videos that they're starting videos, and I like look at their channels and they get no views. I don't even know why I get views. Like when I started this stream, I thought I was gonna get like 10, 20 viewers. Like this is literally my first stream in like 4 months. Last time I had like 2 viewers the whole time, and like I just now I have like 100 something somehow. Like it's pretty cool actually. You were shocked I even got 5. I don't know. Yeah, it's like we're stalling out, so I might just exit. Should I just exit for like 1,000 in profit? I can't like I don't want it to retrace on me because I'm pretty close to being able to secure payout with this balance. I'm only like a few hundred away, so people value deep thinkers and authenticity. Yeah, I want to post more videos of me just talking. They don't really get like as much views, but I don't really care. I'm just like I didn't even care. I posted that cover, like people unsubscribe from me. Like I posted me singing, but I'm just like gonna post whatever I want on this channel. I just yeah, it's just like kind of just like do whatever, man. Do whatever. Yeah, the fact that we stalled out for two 15-minute candles in a row and now we're kind of moving up is, and we took out low of day here. Um, could mean that we're in for like maybe a reversal, so I might just trail my stop a little tighter. But if we don't take out this high and we start dumping and it's just a fake out, yeah, I have to get to because of the consistency rule. I have to get to like a 6.1k balance because I made like a lot. I made 2.4k on both other days. I have not traded with Perdia. Yeah, see, like that's why I'm not coming out because what if we're just like doing a fake out, right? And we don't even take out these highs here. So, I am not trading CPI. I do not I never full port CPI. Did I lose a lot in crypto? I actually have lost a lot in crypto. I have stories about that. You're short at 908. Let's go. Come on. Yes. I like that. I like what I see. Yeah, you can only, on the zero accounts, you can only withdraw like 3K per account. It's 90% profit split. So if this trade hits, I'll get 8.1K. You have nightmares. Yo, trading is traumatized. I'm gonna just stick with the firms that I have going right now. I have a ton of allocation right now, so I'm just gonna farm what I have, and then I'll, man, I'm sorry to hear that your mom's homeless. I'm sorry. How much are you in the drawdown until you're profitable? Maybe like I don't even know. Oh shoot, it's coming up. Exit time. Nah, just let it hit my stop loss. Something like $300 more of risk on the table, anyways. I don't care. I've already secured $600 of profit. Yeah, I need to make probably like 20 grand. 20, maybe 30 grand. So I have 8K on these accounts that I might be able to make. I have 8K here, so it's 16. So then that's another 14 grand. So if I can get like another 14K payout on my 2 sets of top steps and be profitable, maybe. My thoughts on my fund of futures, it's good firm. My bias for tomorrow, I don't have a bias yet. I think we're going to hit in this gap. I think. That's my bias, and I want to see how we react. I want to see how the hourly starts forming. If we don't hit the gap, I mean, it's possible we don't hit it because what if we just like, I don't know, bounce off the EMA? It's just, I don't see that often happening. I do not trade ICT. I just use fair value gaps as like an indicator. I've been trading for 9 months. Interesting stuff going on. This is taking forever. Yeah, I'm not obsessing over the numbers. I'm just fixing my psyche and letting things play out, honestly. 9 months, I mean, yeah, it's all right. I basically sacrificed 9 months of my life where I'm no longer operating as a normal human being and I'm constantly stressed. Yep. Oh, come on. Now this is the time we flush. This is the time we flush. Let's go. Do I trade gold? I don't trade gold. Target equals New York AM low. No, my target is like somewhere in this gap. Just like slightly into it. I'm going to activate my top step accounts. I only trade NASDAQ, guys, but I'm considering trading the Dow when it's heavily uncorrelated and the Dow is just much clearer. There's been days when the Dow has been just super clear and I've watched it off the hourly and it's just been like, maybe I should have just traded the Dow. So I'm considering expanding to other assets eventually. But for now, I just trade NASDAQ. The limiting factor in my trading is not what I'm trading, it's me. And then once you accept that, you just focus on one thing and then you can expand after, right? So there we go. Super laggy platform for me. Back to max allocation. All right, let's see. I passed 10 top steps today. You're putting your payouts in your portfolio and trading covered calls. I've never traded options. I'm proud of you live streaming. Thanks, man. Got a lot of viewers somehow. And gained like, let me check. Yeah, I've gained like nearly 100 subscribers from this one live stream, which is crazy. Asia, because I don't know. I got work tomorrow. So I'd rather trade now and then just focus on my job tomorrow, you know? A little less stressful. We're just like chopping. Okay. One more minute till the next 15-minute candle. And it looks bearish on the 1 minute. I'm a data analyst and engineer. YouTube recommended me. Yep. YouTube's pushing my channel out. Like, I swear it's, I don't know what happened, but in the past, here, let me just show you guys this real quick. Last 28 days. 28 days ago, I had 616 subs. Boom, 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 boom. Like, what is going on? Yo, today I've gained 128 subscribers, bro. Like, this is crazy. Oh, that's one more. All right. Back to the trade. Yes, it's going well. Just found the stream. You cool with answering questions? I've been reading the chat this whole time, but what I will say is that the strategy questions, I've just been like referring that because basically I'm going to host a call in my Discord server where I just like teach, I guess, what I've learned, because a lot of people are asking, they keep commenting on my videos like, what's your strategy? So I'm hosting a call on my Discord server. Links in the description. I'm going to schedule it. I'm from New Jersey. I dropped out of college. I don't have a degree. You seem humble. Thank you. Thank you. You subscribed in the last 48 hours. Appreciate the transparency. Of course, that's what this channel is about. Being transparent. All right, the next 15-minute candle did open. This is interesting. No, I'm just gonna leave my stop. I just gotta keep watching this because the trade idea only really gets invalidated if we're like, because the 15-minute gap is literally 883. So I'm outside of the 15-minute gap tap, and if it goes past that, then we're looking at all the way over here back to full break even, which I would just wait for a re-entry at that point. So I'm fine with kind of just leaving my stop there. What do I do for work? Data analytics and engineering. Yeah, the Discord's free. I don't charge any. Like, I'm not trying to make money off you guys. It's the thing. Maybe I'll get monetized though. That would be cool. Like if I get monetized, then I can make money off of YouTube ads instead of you guys. Not trying to make money off my viewers though. Book one contract and trail the other contract. No, I'm fine with my trailed stop, honestly. Because basically, if I just let this play out, then I could get a payout. Is financial juice worth it? I don't get the pro version. I just like have it open. Yeah, this is looking pretty good too. So basically nepotism, but shoot, my guitar's in the way. Basically, like, I'm gonna maybe make a YouTube video on this story, but I had an internship for like one of my dad's partners, and then I just ended up like being so useful to this guy that I was his assistant that he asked to hire me, and then I like became even more useful, and then I just like became their data analytics engineer. I just like knew what I needed to do. It's like more complex than that, but that's the short story. This is Alpha Futures, yup. Which platform do I recommend? My fund of futures. To get to trading prop firm, did you initially start learning? I skipped paper trading. I just went straight into being a degen buying accounts. I blew so much money in the beginning. Why do I work? Trading is unstable. It's stressful. Do I use any trading journal software? No, I just journal in like, I have a physical journal. I like writing physical stuff. Nah, I'm just gonna leave this. But it's good. It's important to journal and understand why you're taking losses and stuff. Man, this has to hit. Like, there's just no way it doesn't. Oh my goodness. I've just been sitting here forever. Like, this is stupid. Yes, let's go. Yeah, this looks good. I'm like kind of I know I have these top tip accounts, but I don't want to feel the pressure of I hate how laggy this platform is for me. Like I don't know if there's something wrong with my computer or something, but like it's not happening on any other platform. But maybe I should just lock myself out of these. Like I already got crazy wins today. Like if I secure this payout, maybe I just lock out my top sips, come back another day when I'm more fresh. I trade in the day, yeah. Yeah, FOMO happens to everyone, dude. Tracking stats on Excel should be a piece of cake. Yeah, I mean, I just journal every day, mostly emotions and stuff. Um, I don't. Oh, did we take it out? All right. Once we tap in the gap, I'm gonna start trailing my stop more aggressively. Do you stream every night, or this is my first time ever streaming? Honestly. Okay, so there's this untapped 15-minute gap. So that encompasses my take profit. So I like this actually. Yeah, because it's not only this, but it's also this low right here, which lines up to that. Yeah, that's good. Okay. But I will trail my stop right now. I will trail my stop to 1,000. 75.25. Yeah, we realistically shouldn't really come back up there, in my opinion. How do you stack and copy trades? I just there's like a copy trade built-in feature right here in Alpha, and then on Tradeovate, it's just this built-in like manage groups thing, and then on topstep it's just this same thing as Alpha, and I just like manually click it on everything. Yep, this looks like a solid bearish. My fund of futures over Alpha, yeah. Though if you're gonna use Alpha, you should definitely like use. I could get a code or something. Affiliate. I could like get a link, bro. Yo, anyone want an Alpha account? Like, I got you. Are you Kim Jong Un? No, bro. Sup, Kim? Sup? Chill vibes. Finna sub to keep up. Emotions will never leave us. The best traders will still have emotions. We all do. The goal is to let them happen and follow your rules. Yes. Today I actually did not really get tested on my rules. I did take good trades. I was patient. That is good, but I didn't get like heavily tested. So, we'll see how we fare in the future. I don't have an MFF link yet. I really want one. Yo, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna post the affiliate link in my Discord server. I'm gonna post affiliate links in my Discord server. Like, obviously, like you guys don't have to use it. You already have an affiliate code. What's my affiliate code? Oh, I just posted it. I just created a channel in my Discord server called affiliate links. So, like, whatever, you guys can use it if you want. Like, I'd appreciate it, honestly, but it's probably gonna be like what, like $5 or something. Like, doesn't really matter that much. All right, technically I could lock in the payout if I just exit right now, but trade is going so well that like it's probably just gonna hit, right? No point in exiting early. Which days do I stream? This is my first time ever streaming. I don't even have a schedule, but I might start streaming more. Getting tested right now. Bro, lock yourself out, bro. Lock yourself out. Lock yourself out. Great trade, thank you. Can you show us the indicator you use? This one? I coded this one. It just shows like 25, 50, 75, and 100 points away from price. My boys at JP Morgan said they're going to reverse it right now. Shut up. Shut up. 16 gigabytes of RAM for my computer. Yeah, maybe that's why the topstep thing's lagging. I don't know. Can we see your P&L analysis thing? Are you talking about like this? This thing? Keep streaming. Honestly, the stream has gone so well that I'll probably end up streaming again. So everyone who's come here, really appreciate you. Do me a favor. Follow me on Instagram. I want to start posting on Instagram, and I have like no followers. It's just like the link is in the description. I'll deliver you some quality content. Trust me. Well, probably not. It'll get better over time though. All right, this is like 10 points away from hitting. Come on. There's no significance. I just use it to visually know, like, basically when it's hard to tell sometimes like how volatile it is, because like this in New York session could be like 100 points, right? But right now it's 25 points. So it just visually shows you like, okay, if I want to play a 50-point stop, this is where on the chart it would be, etc., etc. That's why I put it there. But I haven't been using it as much. Hold on. I've been trading for 9 months. Qtha, I don't know what that is. How much are you putting in your trades? I risked like 1,000 for this on this trade. Lock in and scroll for you real quick. What do you mean? Here for the ride, either way. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, by the way, guys, I know I'm a trader, but this channel is going to be my whole life. I posted like a video of me singing. Like, I'm posting whatever I want. I'm going to post my thoughts. And I'm going to live a cool life with all this bread that I'm going to start making from trading. And you guys can all watch and be inspired. But, don't be surprised if I post like random things, okay? I don't read any books about trading. Don't forget me when you make it to Miami. Well, I don't know you. I don't know you. Like I see darkness within you, but like I don't know you like that, you know. So maybe we can meet though. New TJR, bro. TJR is crazy. I'm gonna be like a better version of him, like a more wholesome. Like he's a little crazy. I feel like that's not me. I'm more of just like a chill, you know, creative person. Bro's already forgetting his day once. No glaze, but you streamed at a good time. You finished reviewing your study notes. Nice. Honestly, I don't know how to like actually value the people that were here early. Unless you're like, there's some people that have commented on like every video that I remember their YouTube names, right? But over time, it's just like, oh, come on, are we reversing? I'm like up so much that I could secure the payout right now. Am I greeting? I'm not making out the hood, bro. MF, my fund futures accounts are the same to pass as topstep. Oh, sugar. Are we gonna take out this low? Is the question. Could we reverse here? It is more viable for us to reverse now than it was before, given that we did tap into this gap. And I did say I would trail more aggressively. 67. This technically does secure the payout. I could just exit right now and also technically secure the payout and have enough buffer. Should I just exit, guys? You should start a community. What do you mean start a community? Do I not already have a community? This is a community. My channel is a community. My Discord server is a community. Join the Discord server. Link in the description. I respond to every message in the channel. We gambling. Go full TP. Now I was like about to consider exiting, and then just like did that, and I was like, all right, we're going. All right, this definitely secures me my payout. Because what are we? That risks like $300 more dollars. So yeah, I'm gonna secure the payout even if I get trailed out here. So this is good. Whoa, 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 whoa! What's going on? All right, come on. No, hold on. I'm changing this. I'm gonna have stop behind this gap. Stop is behind the gap, the 1 minute gap. Yeah, behind this gap right here. There's a difference trading. Yeah, there's a difference. They move very differently. Manipulation is different. Everything's different. Double wick in the 5 minute. Yeah, I mean the 5 minute. Yeah. This looks like it's gonna at least like rebalance more if it's gonna continue down. I don't know. Or it could have just been a quick tap into a play out again and then take out this low and then reverse. And don't know what's gonna happen, but I'm just leaving it behind this 1 minute gap because if we inverse this 1 minute gap, then I feel like it's gonna go higher. This is like the last point that it could stay at. My strategy, you just trade continuation gap. I don't really have a specific like strategy like that. Like my strategy is discretionary. I basically just go off of instinct. And I look at different things on my charts. Last line of defense, facts. No. Yo, would I have been able to get that 2K balance? Maybe 2K profit.
Order.
Damn. Yo. I'm really like tempted to trade. Like I'm tempted to trade, but let me see. I'm tempted to try to like make a little more, but so I require so the minimum balance I can have is let me just calculate like how much. So based off of the fact that I made 2.2450 divided by 0.4 means that I need a $6,125 balance, and because I have 6,579 minus where's the minus? Minus 6,579 equals, so I have $454 of drawdown. Man, I promise you, I swear, if I wasn't streaming right now, I would have longed off of this candle close. I promise you. But I know you guys would have freaked out at me. Yo, honestly, I should still long. No, I'm not going to do it, guys. I'm not going to do it. No, wait, this is actually a good long. Like, what? All right, don't listen to me. Yo, no, but like it's actually good long, but like I already secured the payout. There's no point in me trading right now. There's no point in me trading right now. Like it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. But it is a good long, I promise you. I'm locking out. We did it. Yeah, full ports on longs right now, boys. Low key. Hold on. Should I full port my topstep accounts? Yo, nah, like, nah, no. We're getting out of hand. yo, all right, can we just, bro, I have balls, bro. My balls are bigger than all y'all's, okay? Trust me. Like, I know you guys aren't copy trading 10 150Ks. Anyways, let's just take a moment. Because I just locked myself out, okay? Can we just take a moment? We start off this day, $4,000, my funded futures payout. We then we get our winning day on my funded futures. Very clean trade, right? Barely any drawdown, like $50 of drawdown. Boom. We get off. We then go into alpha futures. We call out the short into the hourly gap. We secure the $8,000 payout. I need 2 more winning days. I'm coming back and I'm getting 2 more winning days on these alphas. Then, wait, no. We didn't even do the alphas yet. No. Before the alphas, we passed the 150K express accounts, all 10. What a day. Hi, Sophie. I'm streaming. My sister's here. Anyways, pretty crazy. Big W's. Let me read some of this chat. Bro, this is you being tested. When the test, lock everything and you're stuck with it. Give us content. Come on, for the bro. What? Hold on. This isn't even for the content. This is for the profits, bro. Yeah, I passed 10 150Ks. Yo, is Is this for the content or is this for the profits? Like I literally said that this is a good long. No, nah, you guys just want to farm dopamine off of me. You guys just want to farm dopamine off of my trading. Nah, I can't do it. No, I just need a little more confirmation. I need an inversion of this 1 hour gap with a 1 hour fair value. But I'm tired. I took so many dubs today. Like, why would I ruin it? Why would I ruin it, you know? No, I told you guys I was along right here. You guys could have been up 15 points already. Subscribed? Good. Yeah, everyone, if you haven't already subscribed, subscribe. Yeah, I don't know what's going to happen, actually. Like, technically, it does look pretty bullish because we're reacting out of this, right? Create a doji real quick. But I would have liked for this hourly to close, like, within this. If the hourly closed, like, within this gap, that's just so bullish. But it is, like, overall, like, the structure's a little sketch. The structure is a little sketch. Like, this 4 hour was a little heavier than you know. Not even trying to hate, but I can already see how streaming is affecting your trading, bro. I haven't done anything stupid, okay? I haven't done anything stupid. I was joking. One fiend to another. Yeah, I think we're all fiends, honestly. Deep down. Do I watch JMK? Nah, I don't watch JMK. I don't know who that is. Let's see. I mean, the only thing that's left. Who is Ku? Thou. Ku Thou. Full point longs? No. No, I already took so many dubs. Like, I don't want to ruin it. Let me just yeah, 120 subs in a few hours. Yeah, since I started this stream, I gained 120 subs. Yo, I probably got so much watch hours from this too. Yo, do me all a favor. Whenever you watch my videos, make sure you watch the whole thing to the end. You know? The watch time. Bro, I'm not buying a DGen account. I'm trying to reform myself. And you guys are trying to negatively influence me. You're supposed to be supportive. Yeah, I don't know. This is I don't like this. Imagine this is just a manipulation move and we continue lower. But either way, like, I'm out. No, I trade other sessions too. Yeah, crazy dubs today, guys. I'm gonna make a YouTube video. Oh wow. Beautiful. Show the physique. My physique is good, trust. No, I could be leaner, but I'm pretty strong. Would you buy 150K back to funded or 4 comp? I like. I wish I bought the back to funded because I spent too much on the 150Ks. But I don't know. I don't really know, man. It's just like, how confident are you that you can pass, you know? How do you manage risk in trade rate? I just place my stop. I just like place my stop and then once either the stop or the take profit hits, I press this exit button. All right, guys. So just to wrap up, crazy, absolutely crazy stuff today. Success in all areas. Success on my funded futures. Winning day. Payout. Success passing 10 150Ks and they're fresh. Should I just lock them out? Because, like, should I just chill? You know, who cares if tomorrow's going to be good? Like, who cares? Just like take the day to recharge, Yeah, I think I'm locking these out, guys. I don't want to mess up how good this day was, right? Like tomorrow, I'm just gonna focus on doing my job. I'll get like I low key gotta lock in that job security a little better. And yeah, I mean this, boom, boom, good stuff on the My Fund Futures. We are done with that, and Alpha locked out as well. Coming back for the winning days tomorrow. Bro, I just made today. Technically, I made. Well, the EV generated by passing those 150Ks is probably like a few $1,000, and then securing the AK on Alpha. So, really good day today. Not only that, but crazy growth. Thank you guys for subscribing. I really appreciate it. Like, look how many subscribers I just gained today, guys. 158. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for tuning in. Appreciate it. Join the Discord server if you want to join my call that I'm going to be hosting on my strategy and stuff. It's in the description. And follow me on Instagram if you want to follow along the journey. I'm trying to start posting here, and I just want to like get some followers so that I'm not posting to no one, you know. Bro, EV, like, of course I'm a nerd. I'm a trader. Bro. When is it called? Date and time? I'm gonna tag everyone in the server probably, and I'm gonna schedule something. So just follow me on Instagram. Would really appreciate it. Join the Discord if you guys want to, like, you know, learn or whatever. I'm gonna probably hop off. I'm gonna, you know, do some journaling. I'm gonna work on that YouTube video. You mess with me? Appreciate it. Yeah, gains all around. Crazy wins today. Thank you. I'm gonna go, but obviously appreciate it. And if anyone wants to chat at all, I'll be probably in my Discord server. Just type in if anyone wants to like keep talking. But I'm gonna start doing like other work and stuff. So yeah, peace out, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing.